Volvo has unveiled its inaugural MPV, the EM90 EV, initially launching in China. It is expected to expand its availability to other markets. While currently offered as a 6-seater, there is a potential for additional seating configurations in the future. Notably, the EM90 faces competition from the Lexus LM, which provides 7 and 4-seater options, with the latter representing a more luxurious choice. The EM90 presents a distinctly boxy design, characterized by predominantly straight lines, subtly enhanced by curves. As an electric vehicle, it forgoes the traditional grille but incorporates rectangular elements, creating the illusion of a grille-like structure. Positioned at the center of this pseudo-grille is the emblematic diagonal line, intersected by a prominently illuminated Volvo logo. Adding to its aesthetic appeal, the E90 features Volvo's hallmark LED lights, often referred to as Thor's hammer, showcasing a pixel-like design reminiscent of the EX90 and EX30 SUVs. The EM90 embodies a straightforward yet chic approach to the MPV design. Its sliding rear doors sport a subtle upward nick, while the blacked-out pillars create the illusion of a floating roof design. Rolling on either 19 or 20-inch air-optimized wheels, the EM90 maintains a balanced and stylish aesthetic. The most intriguing design elements of the EM90 are found at the rear. While retaining its vertical tail lamps, they now feature a novel design, extending both above and below the main tail lamp cluster. A central chrome strip serves to separate the tail lamps, adding a distinctive touch to the rear aesthetics. The EM90 truly highlights its purpose beyond the first row of seats, especially in the interior. The middle row boasts lounge seats equipped with fold-out tables, along with heating, ventilation, massage features, and power adjustment for an enhanced passenger experience. Conveniently, the touch-based controls for climate settings and other functions are integrated into the sliding rear doors. Passengers in both the middle and third rows are treated to a 15.6-inch screen that folds down from the roof. Volvo emphasizes its versatility, suggesting it can be utilized for entertainment or business meetings. Thanks to an integral camera, rear passengers enjoy an expensive panoramic sunroof, while those in the first row are treated to a single-pane sunroof for an open and airy feel. The front row boasts a sleek and minimalist design, featuring a central 15.4-inch touchscreen as the primary control panel. Additional elements for the front row include a digital instrument cluster, steering wheel mounted buttons, and a center console with a crystal-like drive selector. The console also houses controls for parking mode, hazard lights, a wireless charging pad, and 2 cup holders. The audio experience is delivered through a powerful 21-speaker system from Bowers & Wilkins, boasting an impressive 2,460 watt output. The EM90 is equipped with a robust 116 kWh battery, according to Volvo, providing an impressive range of up to 738 km under the CLTC. Volvo further asserts that the battery can achieve a rapid 10 to 80% charge in less than 30 minutes. Powering the EM90 is a single electric motor generating 268 bhp, enabling a swift acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 8.3 seconds.